back to my channel, and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to bring to you yet another salmon recipe. I did one a couple of years ago. If you want to take a look, I will put that link in the description box. It's an amazing recipe and you definitely need to take a look at it. But I'm going to bring to you a blackened salmon that is flavored with a lot of amazing flavors. So if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers, and don't forget to hit that notification bell just in case when I do put up a video, you'll be the first to know. And one more thing, I just want to thank all the amazing comments I've been getting lately. I really enjoy reading your comments, especially the ones that get inspired by watching my videos and then making the recipe for their family and then coming back and saying that you love it, your family loves it, your kids love it. It just really makes me really happy. So I just want to thank you guys so much for being so encouraging and continue to comment because I love reading them. So thank you so much. So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I'm going to start off by mixing together some amazing seasonings. So in the dish, I'm going to add a teaspoon of smoked paprika and 1 teaspoon of some cumin. I have a teaspoon of garlic powder and a half a teaspoon of onion powder. For a spicy kick, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper and a half a teaspoon of dried oregano. And a half a teaspoon of sea salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And now just grab a fork or a spoon and mix and combine all of the seasonings together. So now I'm just going to set it to the side and prepare my salmon. So I'm going to use 2 cuts of some fresh skinless Atlantic salmon. Now you can use the salmon with the skin if you like, but today I'm going to use the skinless. And before I do anything, I'm just going to take a paper towel and just pat dry both sides, just taking out most of the moisture. So off camera, I went ahead and I melted some butter, and as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and brush both sides of the salmon with some melted butter. And this is going to be the first level of some amazing flavor. Butter and seafood goes really well together, especially with salmon. So this is what the salmon is looking like, and now I'm ready to season it with that mixture that I made earlier. And I'm just going to take each piece and I'm just going to just lay it in the seasoning mixture, the top layer, and make sure you coat it really good. And if you are using skinless salmon like I'm using, you do have that option to coat both sides, but today I'm just going to do one side. Okay, so this is what your salmon is looking like. I love salmon. It looks great already. So let's move over to the stove that I've already heated up a pan at high heat, and I'm just going to coat it or brush some butter on top so that doesn't stick. And now I'm just going to lay the salmon into the pan, seasoned side down. Okay, you guys, and I'm just going to leave this and I'm going to let it cook for 3 minutes. Don't flip it, don't touch it. So after 3 minutes of searing at a high heat, I'm ready to flip my salmon, and this is what it looks like. It looks incredible. All of those amazing flavors just really seared into the salmon beautifully. So I'm going to let this sear off for another 8 minutes. Now while that's finishing cooking, off camera, I mixed together 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and I chopped some fresh parsley, and I'm going to brush this on top of the part that's already been seared. And this is going to add just another amount of amazing flavor to your salmon. Now once your salmon is done, you can take it off the heat and you can serve it with some of your favorite side dishes. Today I'm having couscous. I love couscous. It's so delicious, and make sure to eat it while it's nice and hot. It is so delicious, so simple to make, you guys. You absolutely have to make it. But we are done, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.